Resetting your Mitsubishi air conditioner is a simple but effective solution for common operational issues. Over time, your AC unit accumulates minor software errors and glitches that can affect its performance. You should consider resetting your air conditioner when you notice specific warning signs. These include erratic operation, remote control malfunctions, unexpected blinking lights, or when the unit blows warm air instead of cool air. Before attempting a reset, it's important to perform basic troubleshooting. Check your thermostat settings to ensure they're correct, and inspect your air filters for dirt and blockages, as these simple issues often cause problems that seem more serious. Prevention is always better than troubleshooting. Regular professional servicing every 6 months can prevent major issues from developing and extend your air conditioner's lifespan. This proactive approach saves you time, money, and ensures optimal performance year-round. There are several reset procedures you can try, starting with the remote control and then moving to the indoor unit if needed. First, try resetting the remote control. There are 3 different methods depending on your remote type. Method 1, if your remote has a reset button, simply press and hold it for 3 to 5 seconds. Method 2, for remotes with a pinhole reset button, use a pin or toothpick to press and hold the button for 10 seconds. Method 3, remove the batteries. Press any button for 10 seconds to discharge residual power. Clean the battery contacts and insert fresh batteries. If the remote reset doesn't work, try resetting the indoor unit. There are 2 main approaches. The standard power reset method. Turn off the air conditioner, switch off the power at the circuit breaker, wait 2 to 5 minutes, then turn the breaker back on. Alternative method. Locate the reset button on the indoor unit, power down the unit, press and hold the reset button for 5 to 10 seconds, then reconnect the power. For vane control or swing issues, there's a specific reset procedure. Turn off the unit using the remote, press and hold the vane control button for 5 seconds to reset the vanes to their default position, then turn the unit back on. These reset procedures should resolve most common issues. If problems persist after trying these methods, contact a professional technician for further diagnosis.